What's up, guys? Digital Age FX, you know the story. So in today's video we just want to share with you guys on how we're looking at the market on our side. So we've got our resistance zone, which is this zone. That's why we've put a sell zone. This qualifies to be a sell zone because this is a whole resistance level, and if you can look closely right here, market all the candles have closed below this resistance zone, which makes it to qualify for a possible sell zone. So put our target here, and we actually labeled our support zone. This is our support zone. This is a 4-hour time frame, as you can see. So once you enter here, you list low, and once you list low, you make sure your stop loss is just right above outside our resistance zone. So this will enable you to know the market direction and the market movement. Like, you know, since we're swing traders and day traders, we need to understand the concept of support and resistance. And support and resistance is something that will make each and every one of us profitable in the market in a very long run, since we're doing this for like, you know. But yeah, this will enable you guys to understand the zones of the market. So we now have, let me just say this, I'll label this as our first zone. Let's just say our first target. Let me label it as our first target. So this is our first target on the market on VIX 75 index, and we have another target. Let me just zoom out. So we have another target right here. This qualifies to be our second target because this is our support. This is a support zone. As you can see, this is a support zone. So this and right here, just on the bottom, we've got another support zone. This can be our major support zone because I don't see any other support zone just after this, and this is already confirmed to be our major support zone. So I'll just drop the support zone right here so you guys can have a clear picture of what we're talking about. Okay, so I'm zooming in again. So as you can see, market when market reaches this high, it's failing to continue all the way up because of these zones. This is actually a strong zone because market, as we had our first drop here, we had our second, we had our third, we had our fourth, now we're having our fifth. So this will enable us to understand market direction and it's actually good for us swing traders, because if you look at the market, we actually trading in a consolidation channel, and if we can focus on the zones, we'll be able to be profitable in a long run in the market in forex trading. So this can apply to everything that you trade in, either pairs, currency pairs, index, or the Nasdaq, the US 30. So this is actually the golden analysis that I wanted to share with you guys as a team. So if you've got any question, please don't forget just to leave a comment. I'll post this video on YouTube as well. You can just go there, leave a comment, or you can hit me up on my WhatsApp direct, then we can actually discuss further. And those people that are looking to do a Zoom, they can write me on WhatsApp so we can set up dates, so we can just schedule the time and everything. But this is our target, this is our second target. So let me just label our third target as well, because we're actually if we look at a daily, but I'll make sure I post a daily analysis. That's why you have to stay tuned. I'll post a daily analysis tomorrow, so you guys can actually learn something about how we're looking at the market in a daily time frame. So yeah, this is it. We've managed to label all our targets. So we've got target 1, target 2, which is target 3. So there are these small support zones. If you look, we've got these small support zones. We've got all these small support zones, but we should look at for a major support zone. Once we look for a major support zone, these are the major support zone. You see, this is where the market turned. Once it was trending bullish, So now market continued to trend bullish because of this major support zone. Same applies to here. So we've got all these more inner, we call them inner support zone. So all these inner support zone don't really add, they are not actually a big deal if you're looking to swing trade, or you're looking to trade like day trader, swing traders, actually all the same. But if you're looking to swing trade the market, I don't think they will bother you. If I had placed my position right here and held the market all the way down, I don't think it'll be such a big deal for me, because I know in these zones, yeah, once I reach target I know that once I'm near these zones I can actually exit the market. And I know that it's a sense of humor that every trader should have. If you get somewhere, like if we can sell from here and get our first target here, like we come out a few positions and get our second target right here on the inner support, which isn't actually a big deal. Market will actually consolidate in these zones, but will definitely hit the target too, because that's where we got our first rise on the bullish. We got our first drop, major bearish channel, and then now this is where we got a major bullish. So this is the things that you should look at when you're trading or when you're analyzing. So this is actually a simple way to analyze the market, and I think this is so effective in a long run. If you're looking to make profit, make money in trading, this is actually the perfect analysis for you. As you can see, we've got now our 4 hours candle is actually like dropping back, confirming this support. So how do we know that we are now it's a confirmed, it's a done deal, we're actually trending bullish? So we've got this inner support right here. Let me just change the font. We've got this inner support right here. So now so we've got this inner support right here, this inner support, yeah. So now what happens when market breaks this? It means it actually breaks the higher low. So once it breaks this, we actually know that market will continue to the next target. Since we are swing traders, we don't really mind what happens in between the zones between the resistance and the support. We don't really care that much, because our mainly focus is to set up targets on our previous targets. So like if you look at our support, we had a bullish move here, which was actually really profitable, and we had another bearish move in these zones. So this actually created us, it gave us a dip. It passed the previous point, so it now gave us a dip, confirming that it's now our actual support. So since we have got our actual support and we have got our actual resistance, because if you look at this level right here, it was this our previous level got passed by our next level. So now we've got like, this becomes like our initial resistance area. So we've got our initial support area here, if you can see. So now what's happening right now, for market to confirm bullish, we need market to close below our support zone. If market closes below our support zone, it doesn't mean we should sell right away. We should wait for confirmation. So how do we wait for confirmation? For confirmation, if we want to get the confirmation and understand what's really happening to the market will always give us a pullback. So once we get a pullback and we wait for market to beat the previous area again, that's when we can look forward to start like focusing on the sales. And if you want to like learn more, that's what I'm saying, we can host a one-on-one session where we can get to discuss the overall move of the market, where the market is going, what's happening to VIX 75. So for now, this is just a short video, guys, to give you the insight of how we're looking at the market. So please don't forget to subscribe don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. Every time you post, you guys will be notified and you can actually get to watch and learn something new. So this will be part of our mentorship program for our VIP members. They'll get this type of mentorship with us, where we can get to discuss one-on-one with them and to see where they're having a problem, what's making them enter early, what's making them lose their trades. We just want to give them an insight that this can become something that you can fully understand with patience, hard work and consistency, because all I can see right now is just something which is really simple. It's like I'm playing a game right now, and I can tell these are the small zones that I should wait for. I'll sell my trades here, and I'll buy my trades somewhere here. But now, since I've got a daily update that I'll share with you guys tomorrow or the day coming after tomorrow, and where we can get to discuss a few things. That's why I'm saying in that video, that's where I'll explain why we're setting this as our first target and this as our second target. But please stay tuned for more videos. I will definitely post. Have a good Christmas with family. Enjoy, guys, and I'm wishing you a very successful new year. Thank you.